Good morning, David here with his weekly week look. Today is 18th of February, Friday. This video has been done at 11:35 and it's live price at the moment on the screen. And as usual, we're looking at the May UK wheat chart for 2011. We start today and let's just run through the indicators we've got on the chart at the moment. We've still got an upwards trend in place with the moving averages pointing up at the present moment. The super trend is still up and we've got a rising Bollinger Band. But we did get our sell signal which we were looking on for last Friday on Monday or Tuesday. We actually got it on Monday. And I've clearly marked it on the chart here with the red arrow. And you can see on the stochastic chart down below, we've got the sell signal here on the red arrow here as the big D line crossed this 80 vertical line on the Monday. And since then, prices have continued to fall. The high was 215, fell Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and went down to 201. So we saw a fall of near £15 a tonne. Right, what are we looking for next now? The stochastic now is measuring 47. We're looking at get down to 20 before we get another buy signal. Now, if this goes into how accurate it's been over the last 3 months, we should see the buy signal on the 24th, which will be next Thursday. So we're looking for the market either to hold this current level around the 204 level or to fall further before we get the buy signal of next Thursday at when the stochastic gets down to this level here. Now also on the chart I've been able now to draw some clear trend lines, and you can see this is a big thick blue line at the base here, and the two blue dotted line are the intermediate upward trend lines. Now, if the market should hold around this 204 level here before next Thursday, but there's no reason why it can't still drop further down to this bottom trend line here, which would be 197. So you could see another £6-7 drop until we get the buy signal on the stochastic. But it's not saying it has to drop that; it could drop that. The major support comes in at the previous swing low, which I've marked clearly by this black dotted line at 194. And if you can see on the stochastic down the bottom here, the green arrow here, we got the buy signal on the 19th of January at that level. So I would not like to see this support level taken out of the 194. Now, as to our upside targets, we're still looking for the 225. The high was 216. If we get this next swing low projection, as stochastics are saying, by next Thursday 24th, we're then looking at an upside target by the 11th of March. The market could or has potential to go back up to 225. And just interesting to mark, if you just cast your eye over this stochastic chart and see how accurate it has been on this swing in this recent last 3 months, you can see here, look, the red arrow sell signal here gave us a top there, the green gave us the buy there. We then had another sell signal there, which was here, quite clearly marked. We then another buy signal here, which gave us the next swing up, and we obviously got the sell signal here on Monday of this week. So unless things dramatically change, it's being a fairly good accurate indicator, so we can pinpoint our timing fairly accurately at the present moment. So just to recap, we're looking for it to come down, to head down the stochastic down to this bottom line at 20, find the buy, as long as the last swing low of 193, we're then looking for another upward move. And also, interesting enough, within this trend that's been moving over the last 3 months, the average move has been about £20 a tonne. So when the market seems to hit a high, it seems to fall about £20 a tonne and then rise another £20 to £25 a tonne. So, and that's happened this is the third time. So it's got itself into a nice pattern at the moment. So if that follows true, that would also add weight to this pullback at the moment. So we're still in an upward trend. We've had the sell signal. We're in a downward short-term trend at the moment to come and find a buy signal and then to resume the big upward trend. So obviously crucial, next Thursday is going to be the testing time. As long as 193 is held by next Thursday, then we should see another up move. But obviously I'll put an update this time next week. Thank you.